Okay, you gotta be kidding me. Who are you? I just want you to do some challenges and then I'll just leave you alone. There's like 10 challenges I want you to do. How about your friend here? Oh, he's still sleeping. When you can even just hear him. You can't even hear loud noises and the loud noises can't wake him up. Yeah, if you didn't, it'll wake up. Ah! You criminal! Oh! Hey! I just want you to do some challenges for me. Oh. All right. Tails, this guy is giving me the creeps. Yeah, me too. He looks like a king or something. I am a king. I'm a king, master of challenges. And you have to give me like some challenges or the holiday way. What's our first challenge? Can you hear that noise? You have to defeat that beast over there. The giant cat. I'm a part of a cat's life. And I can't swim, or that cat can swim, because cats can't swim, or I can't swim, because I'm a part of that cat's life. No, cats are just afraid of water, and it's too wet. You just can't swim because it's too deep. No, I haven't had swimming lessons yet for my whole life. And, don't try to touch him. He's very furry, and you'll get hair in yourself. I'll try to defeat this guy for $10. $10? Yeah, it's like 100%. And after that, you'll give me $100 to defeat that train, will you? Defeat a train? I'll get ran over, stupid. I don't care. So, oh, you don't have to defeat those guys. I'll just give y'all guys another challenge. Okay, now it's time to get burned by his camera. What? Good, invisible mesh. Check. Are you okay, Sonic? Yeah. Okay, that was the cat challenge for you, Sonic. That was the challenge for you, Tails. Yes, sir. Sonic, you need to go to the hospital. You look very painful now. Yes, sir. Hold on for a second, guys. Yes, Eggman? Did you find the hedgehogs yet? Yes, I did. You just get a painful challenge. I'll try to. I'll do it on the 10th level. I just need to get those guys in the shelter. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Wait, perfect? You don't want them to be have a shelter. They're pesky hedgehogs. Oh, okay. Challenge for me. Yeah. Who's in my secret lair? Don't move a single muscle. I know. I heard you talking to Eggman on the computer. You're not doing a painful challenge to me or Tails anymore. Okay, you caught me. That's not like this. Ow, sorry, watch your ears. Oh, sorry, little buddy. What's wrong with you today? Oh, me? Yes, you. It's painful challenges. Painful challenges? Where's the lava pit button? Here it is. It's like button box. I get it from button box. Yeah. Press it. Ouch! Ouch! What's wrong with you people? Ow. And on we venture to that. And that's the end.